how to identify real food from fake food. Rule number 1, eat food that eventually rots, because only food that has life can rot. If you place an apple on a counter, what will happen in a few days? It will rot, it will decay, it will turn black. But some anecdotal evidence has suggested that burgers, even if you keep them on the counter for a week, nothing much changes. Why? Because only real food attracts microorganisms. Second golden rule, food that comes straight from the farm to your kitchen is real food. But food that goes to a factory in between, where it is heavily processed, it is no longer food. Then it has become what? A product. You eat a potato, it's what? Food, real food. But that potato goes to a factory, heavily processed, turned into a potato chip. Now it's become a product for someone to make money. And the third golden rule, don't eat food that has TV commercials. Have you ever seen an ad for broccoli? What about papaya? No. Why? Because no industry profits by feeding you real food. And every industry in the world profits by feeding you fake packaged processed food that ultimately, bit by bit, destroys your body.